In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make anywhere from $50 to $300 per project without having any kind of prior experience. 100% beginners friendly, and this doesn't require you to go out there, create a blog, create a website. You're going to love this and you can do this. People are making thousands of dollars every single month doing this. And I want you to stay tuned right to the end of this video, because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you an extra source to even boost your income. So going from $50 to $300 days, but then I'm going to give you this source that will even boost your income and allow you to make anywhere from $300 to up to $1,000 a day. So stay tuned, and I'm going to give you this source at the end of this video. So let's dive into this video on how to make money online and how to go from $0 to $50 to $300 every single day with simple projects that you can use, which doesn't require any kind of prior experience, doesn't require any kind of technical skills, and you can do this in your spare time. Okay, what are we talking about? I'm talking about a simple project that you can use to do something and start making money online. One person, he made over $13,000 in a single week while being in hospital. Okay, so this is something that you can do. Yes, it does require a bit of work. 2 hours of work a day. You'll have to put in at least 2 hours every single day, but that 2 hours will pay off. Okay, so let's get into this and let me show you what I am talking about. When you go to YouTube and you look at these videos, you can see here the YouTube shorts. As you can see, this one has got 2 million views. This got 1.2 million views. You can see this has got 320,000 views. Now these people are posting simple shorts to make money online. But what about if you had something, a done for you project, a done for you video, which you can post? You just have to make a couple of edits and clip, etc., and start making money online. Like I said, one person made over $13,000 in a single week doing this. You don't have to create a video. The video is already done for you. The video has been created. You just have to go out there, make the edits, put it into your own words, or clip it and start posting it. And these people are paying anywhere from $1 to $5 per 1,000 views. Now you can do the maths. That just imagine if you are able to get over 100,000 views, 200,000 views, 300,000 views, and you will be surprised that these shorts, it could be YouTube shorts, it could be Instagram reels, it could be TikTok reels, get millions and millions of views. In the beginning, it will be very less, very low, but as you start posting on a daily basis, every day, 2 times a day, you will able to see those boosts coming in, and you will see how this starts to scale up and start going into the 6-digit numbers. Okay, and these people are willing to pay you anywhere from $1 to $5 for every 1,000 views. So if you got 100,000 views and you were getting paid around $5 per 1,000 views, you can do the maths. Okay, and it adds up when you start posting on a daily basis. You do it twice a day, 3 times a day. Okay, it only requires 2 hours of your work every single day. So now the question is, where can I find these videos? Okay, where can you go to find these videos where people are willing to pay you per 1,000 views? So there are a couple of places that you can find. I'm going to give you one of the networks that you can apply to. Is free to join. You can go to this network, get these done for you, ready-made, created videos, start posting it on these social media accounts and start getting paid. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you another source which will even boost your income. Okay, so the number one source I'm going to give you is this one here called the affiliate network. If you go to affiliate network, it's free to join, and you will able to find all these videos. As you can see here, here's one down here that you can see, trenching, clipping. Okay, he's paying up to $2 per 1,000 views. Okay, the cap is going to be $1,000. That means, which means as you reach $1,000, he's not going to pay you after that. minimum views 1,000. Okay, and where is he willing you to take these videos and post it on TikTok and Instagram? So you could take this video, you can see it's already a done for you video, okay? So you just have to download the video, and then you just have to make a couple of edits, couple of changes, and clip it, okay? Leave the original content where the person's talking and make a couple of edits and clip it, and then you will able to post this video and start getting those views. And for every view, like I said, he's going to pay you up to $2 per 1,000 views, okay? Now, before even getting these videos, downloading these videos, it is very, very important that you read the rules. So if you click on post rules down here, you need to read the rules, okay? Because a lot of people don't read it. They just go out there, get the video, download it, clip it, and start posting it, and they don't get paid. And the reason they don't get paid is because there's certain rules that you need to follow. If you don't follow those rules, these vendors are not going to pay you, okay? So make sure you read these rules. It explains exactly what they are expecting, what they want you to do, okay? Very, very important that you read all these rules. So you can find a couple of people, a couple of channels, and you can also do this by going to the video here, and from there going to their YouTube channel, finding top trending videos, and then clipping those videos into shorts, and then reposting those videos. And by reposting those videos, they're going to pay you anywhere from $1 to $5 per 1,000 views. If you scroll down, you're going to see some more videos. So you can see this person's paying $1.25 per 1,000 views. You can see this person is the same person, but he has different projects. He's paying $4, $1.25, 85, and it's very easy. You can explore different type of campaigns, create your campaign, and once you have got your video, you read the rules, you got your video, you clipped it, you repost it, make sure you submit the post here, okay? So you need to submit the post, they will look into it, and then once they have approved it, then you will start getting paid and you can start seeing your income. Like I said, this adds up. So in the beginning, when you start doing it, you might not see any money coming in, but when you start doing this on a daily basis, by taking videos from here, done for you, clip it and start reposting it, and you submit the post and they have approved it as well, and then you're going to see that money coming in. If you still don't see the results, then make sure you read the rules again to see what's going wrong. Where have you been wrong? What are you doing? Are you following these rules or not? And also very important to remember that you look at the platforms as well, okay? So you can see if someone takes this video, he can't post it on YouTube Shorts, okay? If he does, he's not going to get paid because they're only allowing TikTok and Instagram. So you need to look at these rules as well. So you need to look for something that's going to allow. So you can see here, this one here is going to be allowed on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. So you have to follow these rules. Now, like I promised, I told you that if you go according to what I just told you, you can make anywhere from $50 to $300 per project by being persistent with a never giving up attitude. But what about if you can boost that income? You could take it to the next level. If you want to do that, here's another source that you can go to, okay? And you can join this source. It's more reliable because I have because I'm part of this source as well, and it's called Hop. If you go there and you go and create your account, you can find a lot of projects. You could just go to Discover and you will find hundreds of people who's willing to pay you very good amount of money, and very big reliable people, reliable source, and reliable projects that you're going to get paid. And a lot of people are making money. Can you remember I just told you that person who made $13,000 in a single week? He done it using this network, okay? He got one project, he stayed connected, okay? He went out there, he started downloading these videos, clipping it, editing it, and then reposting it, and then he started to get paid, and he made over $13,000 in a single week. So this is another network, okay? So go ahead, start becoming more creative, and like I said, if you're getting started for the first time, just make sure you go through all these links to get familiar with the network, so you're not wasting a lot of time. So this is how you go from $0 to $300 a day with a brand new project by reposting other people's videos, okay, with making a couple of edits, and just make sure you follow the rules and the terms and conditions.